coming home, I'm coming home. Tell the world I'm coming.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Sidhu Bytes. So today let's see how to write our first program in Visual Studio Code of Java. So for that you need to download the Java in your PC. So for that follow my steps. So the first step is open the Chrome. Let's open the Google Chrome and type Oracle Java download and enter. Click on first link. So this is the interface. So just scroll down. Here, see the Windows option. Yes, see this is the second option, 64 installer. Click on download. It will direct to downloads. So wait for a second. And yeah, it will download. Double click. Wait for a second. It will pop up the message. Click here yes. Yeah, already I have this one. So for just like it will show, I click here yes. And it will downloading, and the interface is like this. Click here next and see program pass. Okay, next. So here close. So the download is done. Now create the environment. Further you need to open this PC. Click here Windows C program files. So here click here Java JDK and bin. So once click and copy this link. I just copied and click start. Variables, environmental variables, type environment variables and click enter. See here path. Double click here, click new and paste this link. So click here OK and here also OK and close this all. So next you want to run in Visual Studio Code. For that you need one folder. So for that I will create Java. Let's okay. Open the Visual Studio Code. Yeah, now you want to download some extensions, that is Java extension. Java extensions. So here is the pack. So this one installed and Rust WordPress installed. I will be starting installing. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe, support me, bro. Yeah, it will successfully install. So click on file, open folder. Here desktop. I'll create that is Java. Then just this folder, open this. What is this before you create in desktop? So that's one. And select folder. Yeah. Now create one file. Hello world file dot java. Yeah. Now write the code. Yeah. Now write word program which is hello world. So for that public class file name that is hello world. So brackets and public static void main the string brackets argument just send brackets s system dot all dot print ln here hello world semicolon. Yeah, just here is the run button, so click here run. Yeah, here is the output hello world. Yeah, we successfully created a hello world program. So this is all, guys. Please subscribe, like and share. See you in next video.